Want to get down to 150 pounds? 1. Establish a caloric deficit of 1,300 to 1,500 calories per day. This can be divided into 3 small meals or an intermediate fast of 2 meals a day, lunch and dinner. 2. Drink your water. Drink at least 64 ounces of water per day, which is equivalent to 8 cups. 3. Get your protein. The daily allowance is 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Divide your body weight in pounds by 2.2 to get your weight in kilograms, then multiply that by 1.2 to get your protein allowance. In my experience, an average of 80 to 120 grams of protein per day is sufficient. Or fill out a protein calculator online. 4. Exercise. Perform 2 full-body workouts per week. You must not cheat on this. 5. Walking. Walk twice a day, once in the morning and once before the sun sets. 2 15 to 20-minute walks per day will improve your overall fitness and help you lose weight. If you follow these steps, you will be at your 150-pound goal before you know it. It has been proven, and your commitment is the key to making it a reality. LHLclub.com